So you might be in a situation where for some reason WhatsApp is not showing Meta AI. Now, Meta AI is one of those things within WhatsApp that basically allows you to go through, and it's kind of like a chat GPT kind of thing. It allows you to do a lot of stuff within WhatsApp. Now, if it's not showing up, the first thing that's recommended is to go through, make your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store, find your WhatsApp application, so search up WhatsApp, and all you're going to want to do is update WhatsApp. This is by far the first and most important thing I'd recommend doing in this particular situation, because what's going to end up happening here is it's going to allow you to basically go through and update the app, and it's probably going to end up fixing and addressing a lot of those issues that you might be having in the background. So try doing that. That might be the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, another thing you might want to try doing is checking the region that you're in. Sometimes the area that you're in doesn't actually support, Meta AI. So if you're in a different area, you might just want to go through and just double check within the area that you're in and make sure you're in the right area. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you can try doing is to try restarting your iPhone. So hold the volume up button and the side button. Hold on both these buttons, slide the power off, and you want to go ahead and give it a few moments. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to turn it back on, and you want to see once again if that ends up fixing the problem for you. For a lot of people, it might just be as a simple fix like that, and that might end up fixing it for you as well. And if that's still not doing, you can try deleting WhatsApp and reinstalling it. So hold it down, delete the WhatsApp application, go ahead and give it a few seconds, reinstall it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.